Hi guys! Today we will learn how to lock the App Store on iPhone. This is really useful if you want extra privacy or don't want anyone opening the App Store without your permission. So let's do it step by step. Now find the App Store icon on your screen. Now tap and hold the App Store's icon for a few seconds. Don't release too quickly because holding it brings up extra options. After a moment, a menu will appear with different settings related to the app. Look for the Require Face ID option. Tap on it once to enable the security option. This means the App Store will ask for Face ID before opening. You may need to tap Require Face ID again for confirmation. Then your iPhone will scan and verify your Face ID. Once confirmed, the App Store becomes protected. And that's it. Now your App Store is locked with Face ID on iPhone. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe for more iPhone tips and comment below what guide you'd like next. Thanks for watching.